guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini bag review, bag unboxing type of video. I did this a lot back in 2021 and I just haven't been regularly doing them, but I'm back with another one. And just to preface, this video is probably going to be extremely short, like 3 minutes. I don't even know if I can make it 3 minutes and I can just like ramble, but it's a really small bag, but it's so cute. It's a 小费包, guys. Just a preface, but it's so cute, and let's just talk about it. So cute, guys. This is the bag. It's the Jacquemus Le Chiquito. I do not know if I'm pronouncing this right, but Jacquemus Le Chiquito in the size, like the standard really small size. Mine is the men's bag because it's the silver hardware. If you guys usually browse through like the Jacquemus bag section under like women, usually the hardware is gold, and I am like a silver hardware lover. Okay, so the only thing I don't really like about this is that the strap isn't leather. Usually the bags with the gold hardware come with like a leather strap, but this one came with like one of these straps. So I don't use this because I just don't like the vibes. I do like the bag, obviously, it's really cute, but I just don't know how I feel about this particular strap. It's very masculine, I mean, obviously, but I mean, I would much prefer a leather strap on this bag, but it's really cute, and nonetheless, like I still like to carry it like this or whatever. It's also like a really cute little 摆件, you know, like just put it there and it's just so freaking cute, guys. I'm obsessed. Let me like read the exact details for it because I don't want to keep rambling about, you know. Alright guys, so this bag I got from Essence because they have a wide variety of Jacquemus bags. So I have the app right here, and they obviously currently still sell this because it's like one of their most classic styles, I guess, but we can read it, I guess. This is Jacquemus Black Le Papier Le Chiquito Home Bag. Definitely butchered all of that, but it is the buffed leather pouch in black, and it has a rolled carry handle, adjustable and detachable padded shoulder strap, logo plaque at face, fold over flap with magnetic press stud closure, cotton twill lining in beige, logo engraved silver tone hardware. Yeah, that's all guys. Nothing really to it. I mean, standard. I feel like this is a really great summery bag. Like I got it like, I'm pretty sure the end of 2022, so kind of like winter season of 2022. However, I'm not wearing it as much because I definitely feel as though this is more of like a summery bag. I mean, first of all, literally fits nothing, so make sure you have someone who has pockets on them, or if you have pockets, great, because you can barely fit anything in here. Like literally when I go out with this, I have the sound in here, guys. It's actually a lip product. That's all I keep. This isn't the one I'm wearing right now, but this is a really great lip gloss as well. So I'm just gonna share with you guys the strap that I actually like putting on with this bag. So it looks like this. This is from a Emotional World bag that I have. So it comes with the pearl strap, but I don't like wearing this strap with my Emotional World bag because I just think my Emotional World bag, if you guys don't know what it is, it's like the company that creates like distressed fabric bags that look like the Hermes bags. So they make like mini Kellys and like Birkin style bags, but in like a distressed fabric way. But anyways, this is the strap that Emotional World like puts on their bags, but I just like to, like I just put it on this. Too lazy to put it on, but it'll look something like this. You get the gist. It's like really cute pearl chain, kind of cool, kind of girly. Yeah, I just think the vibes are great, and I think this actually matches really well. So if you guys have any sort of like chain, I feel like chain with this bag might be a little bit too masculine still. The pearls really add to it, so I like that. And I like how everything is silver hardware, my favorite. So yeah. So usually if you want to take this out, you can fit a couple of cards in here. A card holder doesn't work. Like I tried with my card holder, it doesn't work. You can put a few cards in here, like your credit card, your debit card, a piece of ID, that works, as well as a lip product. So that's kind of like what fits inside. It's so cute, and the leather is really soft. It just like looks really cute. That's all, guys. 小费包, you know, 装什么都装不下，但是可以装可爱. So you have to really like this bag to like be able to justify and deal with it, because besides the fact that it looks cute physically, there's not many benefits that it brings, but it's cute, so it makes my heart happy. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I will leave some links down below. You can probably check out like Farfetch or Essence or, you know, any of these stores. Usually sometimes they'll have sales. Yeah, Farfetch and Essence has a lot of sales, so you can probably be able to find it on sale. I know some of the ones with the gold hardware go on sale a lot, like the bigger ones. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. You can probably fit more in those as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this super short mini bag review. So much fun filming it. I will have more because I got quite a few bags in 2022 and I literally didn't film any bag reviews or bag unboxing hauls. So I'll do all of them in 2023. And yeah, so if you guys like this type of video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.